I've got him, but I'm just getting my exposure. Okay. Alright guys, we are in Canary Wharf on a gloomy day in London. No surprises there. And we've just had a bit of a coffee break, been for a walk this morning.
Straight into it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you do? Fumbling around on your phone?
I'm sure it wasn't even on.
Oh. We're always on, come on. Yeah, we just came across this spot. I haven't been down on this view before, and just pulled out the 7200. Thought I'd get a few shots, and Dave said we may as well do a pop, so we'll do that. We'll roam around this area in a minute, but I'll get some quick long lens bangers, as David would say.
I'd also say, if you haven't subscribed to Squirrel's channel already, hit the subscribe button right now.
Right now, right? Funny. That is the Shard. So I didn't realise that the Shard was so far away from the city. Every time I've seen the angle, it's kind of been, I guess, from the other side, and it compacts and compresses it, so it just looks way different. And the walkie-talkie as well. These are a little bit dark. You might be able to see what I'm trying to do. Oh, I'll open up a bit. What I was trying to do is just get enough detail in the clouds, but we're way down on the histogram there, so even now. So we are good to rock and roll. Can bring that detail back later. Might just redo the Shard for that particular reason. So it's about to rain here. And I think there's a storm forecasted as well, but get a few shots first. So open up again. There goes those raindrops. And I might actually go back to the 50 before I do the old start interacting with people. So I'll quickly chop that over. Oh, here's the rain. No, I don't want to change this in there. Let's get some people fumbling and running. Oh, it's not even covered. There's thick drops. I'm just going to go undercover and change my lens.
Oh yeah, you don't need dust.
Dust or water?
I was trying to get bangers.
Alright guys, we'll jump back in a minute. Or not. What's going on?
So I always make a birthday love.
So we kind of came to this area to check out a car park, which Dave has seen before and is pretty cool, but he hasn't really seen it documented. So I'm gonna go scout that just while the rain's here, which apparently is straight under here. You can get a reflection banger now.
Yeah, that's what I was literally just telling him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was like, what, now it's raining, a lightning storm comes in.
Yeah. Oh, I think my screen's a bit wet.
It's alright, but I've got to conserve the battery.
Oh, yeah, you can blame that one on me, right? Warp strange. Yeah. It's a good day to be watching YouTube channels like ours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to make sure you subscribe for those ones, eh? Oh, cool.
Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's really...
Like, it's quite wide, isn't it? Like...
Wow, anywhere around here for a football.
Easy. Sick. It's even got the pink brick that we noticed earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! No, brick.
Brother man.
I've got him, but I'm just hitting my exposure. The guy in the back.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's dark. Good, right? Oh, it's really loud in here. It's a cool spot. I believe this goes down several levels. Not too sure how many. We'll keep roaming around and have a look, but we'll see how we go. Look at the soot on this. Wow, grungy. So these are all hot air vents, for air conditioning for God knows what, but it's all hot air coming through. Which if there's that amount of dust, can't be good for the lungs. Yeah.
Brilliant for the knee.
Is it?
Yeah, it feels fantastic now.
Alright. We need to go to a tropical place for a holiday. Chill out. Pub in the Caribbean. It's so sick. So we go down more levels from here?
It's just a roundabout.
Oh, okay. I'm
So we've
with
got a
you.
full circle that we can run around.
Yeah,
I've always driven like
gone around it.
Uber or whatever.
Yeah,
Spinning them and that looks so cool.
yeah.
I've never had to spin it until now.
Until now. Let's take a quick photo. Pointless, but hey, the red box would have been better. So, these places in London we've kind of been roaming around. They've been really good just for exploration. Well, that's cool. I like how the roof shows on the, what do you call it?
Maybe it's the car template.
Yeah. Even the rolling shots in here are amazing. How's it look? The roof is sick.
Actually, it might be cool for a portrait. Have you just stay right there and look in that direction with me?
Oh my god. Currently just standing here so David can have his shot. Oh, you look nice. Sorry, if I can what?
If you can give me a easy jump, wait for this car. I want it to be fully clear in the background.
Alright.
I'm going to wait for another car. 2 cars.
Cutler.
Battery's still flashing. As soon as you're in the clear street,
Rush hour. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cyclist?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Nicely done.
Very good. Whoa, sick. If I look up more, you'll be able to see the face because the light's coming from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's way better. Your face is fully illuminated now.
Nice. Nicely done there, Charlie. Should we keep going round the roundabout? There's lots of incredible lines and textures down here, like even this here, the leading line of heading down the brickwork is incredible. The lines up top, the lines down bottom, yellow, green. So essentially what we're doing is kind of just looking, like, location scouting, just to sort of see what's about, have a bit of a catalogue of images. Whoa. This would be really cool in a 35 shot. What I want to do is try and get all of this in the shot, but I don't think it's going to. You got one? Down here. I really like these vents on the top here. Ah, it goes forever. Sick. Again, it would be better on a wider lens, but I think it's still pretty dope. Stick a model in here, you're all sorted. See what we can try and get with the puddle up here. So if you're liking these videos and you're kind of enjoying our day-to-day, let me know what you're enjoying most. Let me know what you want to see more of. who you want to see involved, and hopefully we can gauge some more content which is along the alley of what you're after. But to be honest, we're probably just going to keep doing what we enjoy doing. Well, I mean, it'll be a mix of everything, I guess, but what you're seeing is exactly what we enjoy doing, just roaming the streets, being nosy, sticking our heads into yards, and kind of just seeing what's about, and being curious. So apparently there's injunctions in areas all around here, which isn't too good, and we are in Canary Wharf, which means it's more of a oh, cool. It was awesome. More of a controlled area. Anyway, if you're liking the photos, it's a cool area, right? Yeah. Sick for a perspective shot down this area.
Check out this Mercedes campaign.
Fuck, well done. Whoa, water and all.
Yeah.
Well done. That's sick as.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
This area is amazing.
Incredible,
though.
right?
Good find.
Yeah. Leading line, I reckon. Looks incredible.
Do you find the white balance fluctuates at such an extreme level
No.
when walking from outside
To in here. Yeah, if it's Kelvin, you need to adapt it from.
like 57 Kelvin outside to 32 in here?
These are all fluorescent lights, which are 32 Kelvin. No. Fluorescent should be around 52. Tungsten is 32. Anyway. Yeah, so if you're working with Kelvin, you have to, depending on the light source that is around, you have to adapt the Kelvin to suit, and also the exposure. Just cool spots, like, so do a campaign here. Have a model of talent standing out front. Sick as. Can you do me a shot, please? Can you lean on the wall? Bag off, kind of just like that. Please. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. So, nice spot, but I want to get you in front of one of these lights so it illuminates.
So the dirty part of
The dirty part, yeah. And here, you'll be right. Wow, there's my face. Nice. Just maneuver your old pointy collar for me. Stabberjack. Thank you. Just gonna do a landy. Just relax. Yeah. Cool. Sweet. So with this shot here, you can imagine what it would be like just having a group of people lingering around here.
Wow.
Sick perspective. The lions
That's dope.
going down. Vertical's quite cool, but it seems to narrow. But just cool locations around here.
Well, go back one.
I've seen it pop up.
Wow, that's
Wait.
amazing. I thought it was a double exposure. It looks like something's been overlaid.
Ah, not quite. But yeah, bit of randomness around the roundabout. But yeah, we might call it at that. See you guys. Ciao.